Hi everyone, welcome to Andasonmajid Tech. Today I'm going to show you step by steps how you can create a Google account in a very simple way. Having a Google account gives you access to so many Google services. Like with Google account, you can create your own blogs. With Google account, you can start your own YouTube channel. With Google account, you can use Google services like Google Map, Google Sheet, Google Forms, Google Photos, and other Google services. So today in this video, I will guide you through the whole process of how you can create your own Google account and start enjoying these amazing Google services. And please don't pay to someone for creating a Google account for you because it's very simple. You can do it by yourself. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your computer is installed in a web browser. In this video, I will use Google Chrome. So on your browser, under URL bar, type accounts.google.com. Then press enter button. So once you press the enter button, this interface will come. Click under create account. So once you click create account, see Google will provide three options. You can create your account for personal use, you can create your account for my children, you can create your account for work or for business. So in this video, we'll select it for personal use. So once you select it for personal use, Google will ask you for first name and the last names, but the last name is options. Let me enter first name as Anderson and the last name enter as Magic. So once I enter first name and the last names, and I'll press enter button, next button. So once I place next button, see Google will ask you for basic informations, which are birth details and the gender. Let me select birth detail, month of birth. I will select. Let me select December. Day of birth. Let me select 26. Year of birth. Let me select 19. Let me enter 1995. The gender. I will select male and press next button. So once I place a next button, see, based on the first name and the last name I have entered, Google will suggest the available mail. It means this mail are not taken. I can select this, I can select this, but they provided one options. You can create your own mail address. If you don't love this, you can create your own mail address. Let me select this one. I will select this, then enter my mail address. Same. Anderson, and place next button. So once I place a next button, Google will ask you for password. Let me enter the password. See, I've entered the password character less than 8. Google requested me to enter the character above 80 characters. So I will repeat. There's an option here. You can pick here to show your password if you want to see. Then press next button. So once I place a next button, Google will ask you a recovery mail address. See, this mail address, recovery email, will be used in case you forgot your passwords. You will use this email address to recover your password. For this case, I will skip this. So my mail address will be andasonmajid@gmail.com. I'll press the next button. See, once you click a next button, Google will ask you to agree for terms and conditions as below. Click agree. See, Once you click agree buttons, your Google account will be successfully created. And now you can start enjoying amazing Google services, as I told you before. See, under this bar, you will see Gmail, you will see Google Drive, you will see YouTube, you see the main, you will see Google Map, and other Google services, and other all these Google services with the same Google account you have, you can enjoy all this. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more tech videos.